I'm Robert Burns with Gravograph. Today I'd like to go over our most robust line of equipment. That's the IS8000, IS7000. The main difference between the two machines is that the 7000 comes with a 24 by 32 inch table and the IS8000 has a 24 by 48 inch table. You're able to get several different options with each machine. The XP version comes with a 200 watt spindle motor and a collet spindle. The regular IS8000 or the regular IS7000 comes with a regular lead 64 inch spindle that uses our regular, our regular cutters that you may be familiar with, and a 90 watt spindle motor. And you're also able to get a high frequency version for doing routing into almost anything you want to route into. Got a couple of examples here. Well, let me back up. There's one more option. You can get an industrial grade router to fit on here and allow you to do something up to 24 by 48 with the IS8000. Here's an example of using the high frequency spindle and foam board. It does a beautiful job. And here is an example in 1 inch thick oak. Pretty hefty, but we're using the router. So not only can you do tactile signage, but you can do 3D stuff if need be. You need to upgrade the software a little bit, but you're able to do it. The machine's robust enough, and it holds a seat for doing that kind of thing. I'm going to show you in a minute how to make a tactile sign, but you're able to do all kinds of signage, front engrave, reverse engrave, tactile, you name it. The machine will do it and do it in a big way. The process to make a ADA compliant sign or a tactile sign is very simple. All you need to do is have our graphic tag with the time release adhesive on it. It comes in a 32nd length of an inch to make it compliant with a raised letter. And I can apply it to metal, acrylic, you name it. It sticks to it. Here again is time release that in 24 hours is pretty well permanent. Set my job up using Gravel style software. Nice thing about it is that it calculates everything for you or does all the conversions for you. Whatever I type in, it'll convert it to grade 2 Braille for me and create a toolpath. Go ahead. When you send the first toolpath over, it engraves the raised letter. What I did was I set up 3 room numbers. So I'm going to make 3 door signs with a room number on it. 321, 322, and 323. Depending on the material that you're engraving into, I could speed it up or slow it down at this point. Very simple. Okay, when it finishes, all I have to do is to pull away the background. It's no problem. And I send over the next toolpath. I did was switch out cutters, put a braille drill in. Here again, the software converted the room numbers to grade 2 braille. Grave the dots. This could be a whole table of signs. Full sheet, hence the 24 by 48. Because now it goes back and prompts me to drop the auto raster pin, put it down. Here again, hit check, and it inserts the bead. While it's doing this, I'm setting up the next job or sending over the next layer of signs. Actually, the next tool path that it generated was one to cut these out. And since I don't have a sacrificial piece of material to put under here right now, I'm going to forego that. But I could have an end mill or parallel cutter or whatever that would go back and route out each and every sign to the precise size that you would need. Couldn't be slicker. I hope this little overview has been helpful. I've tried to hit all the high points, so there's many features of this machine I'm sure I've missed. Just looking at it, I didn't go over how well it's built as far as all the electronics being in gator tubing, all the lead screws being covered. Maintenance is slim and none. Next time we're going to go over the software and how easy it is to use. And if you have any questions or any features you'd like for me to highlight or like to see, be interested in hearing from you. I'm Robert Burns, or just call into Gravograph. I'm extension 1757, and be happy to answer any questions you may have. Until next time.